So 3 years ago, I was on this campus. This basketball court was filled with 800 kids, and there in the podium, I was talking to them about organ donation. Today I'm here to see this school launch a Yoda Tribe, a Yoda Club, Youth Organ Donation Awareness Club.
Good morning. Here's a short conversation between the organ and the body when it is newly transformed into a new body. The title is So a Piece of You Will Breathe a New Life. And one day, a stranger knocked my door. Her footsteps conveyed the presence never felt before. The moment it entered to my world of organs, it gifted a new beginning to the life of orphans. The path from strangers to family crossed in a bit that fulfilled the weight of years in one set. She introduced herself as a new companion for life, as she lost her old partner, alive in afterlife. The one she loved now is gone, was cursed alive with ears withdrawn. While recollecting her memories down the lane, she passed through the pipe full of pain. The eyes her owner gifted introduced the world to me that opened new paths of life and the souls to see. A ray of hope gifted by a dead soul gave me a new reason to live as a whole. Know that I am grateful for life you gave me. May my life give you the light wherever you may be. May the seed of life you sowed in me grow into a beautiful tree. As a part of you will be always alive in me. Soul, being dead, burns in the fire, but organs, they may become the wings for a life and take them to the sky of another world. Hereby, I would like to appeal to each one of you that don't think of organ donation as giving up a part of yourself to keep a total stranger alive. It's really a total stranger giving up almost all of themselves to keep a part of you alive. I would conclude with organ donation is a deed. To fulfill it is worth indeed. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Monil. Today I am here to vocalize my thoughts regarding organ donation. Organ donation is much more important than people realize. It is important for society as a whole as well as an individual. Organ donation, the power of organ donation is definitely underrated. It does not impact only the donor and the recipient, but it even impacts the families and friends too. Organ donation is a good deed, and many people want to do this good deed, but due to lack of awareness, many people back out, or either they back out or they get deceived by illegal organ traders. In such a situation, we have Mr. Anil Srivastava sir, who is spreading awareness regarding organ donation all over the world. So we are extremely elated to have you here with us. Thank you so much, sir, for visiting us. Last year we had a project Learn to Earn, in which we organized food stalls, and the total revenue collected from that was donated towards the organ donation and to the organization. After donating it, we feel so elated and proud that because we donated it for such a noble cause. And sir, we are extremely proud of you and your team for your 50,000 miles journey across 41 countries regarding spreading awareness regarding organ donation and adding more and more people to it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I just want to spread some awareness of organ donation. It's first of all a gift of life to the ones whose life are already overdarkened. The organ donation is only possible because of the blessings of God Almighty on the doctors who just give a life to the one who cannot see the world. I salute to those families who just do not, they have not just lose their loved ones, but they have donated the organs of the ones who have passed away and given the lives to the ones who do not see the whole world. They help them to see the beauty of the world. At last, I would thank to the doctors and to the foundations which organize and which help the people for encouraging the organ donation. One of the foundation which encourages the gift of life helpline.